All right, example 2, it says find the size of each angle to the nearest degree in the triangle below. So if we're finding the size of each angle, the key is, doesn't matter which angle that you find first, but when you, let's say we find angle, or let's find angle D first. Go in alphabetical order. So if we were to find angle D first, we're going to use this formula. Cos of A is equal to a squared plus b squared. Divide, it's b squared plus c squared minus a squared, all divided by 2bc. Okay, so the key in this formula is that whatever angle you're looking for, that you need to be subtracting that side. Does not matter the order of the other two sides, but what you subtract is very important here. So if I wanted to find angle A, or sorry, angle D in this case, I'm going to take e squared plus f squared, doesn't matter the order, so 48 squared plus 51 squared. I'm going to subtract my angle side squared, so 62 squared. I'm going to divide this by 2 EF. So you can type this all in one big step in your calculator. If you do that, you need to start this with a set of brackets, close the top with a set of brackets, press divide, and then start another set of brackets over this. And this will spit out a decimal value. Remember, this is equal to cos of D, so to find an angle of that, you're going to have to press second cos of that value, and you should end up with an angle D of 77 degrees. All right, so now that we know this angle, now we can find angle E. Well, to find angle E, we don't have to go back to using cosine law. We can go now using sine law because we have an angle and a corresponding side. So we're now going to use the sine law to solve for angle E. So sine of 77 over 62 equals sine of E over its opposite side, which is 51. Again, we cross multiply and divide. Remember, you're going to have to press second sine of that value to get your angle, and you should get an angle of 53 degrees. Okay, and then lastly, angle F, we can simply take 180 degrees and subtract our other two angles. And angle F should work out to be 50 degrees.